Let's get. How was yesterday for all of you? In one word, tell me, how was yesterday? How was yesterday's? The
Super amazing.
super amazing. Okay, wow. What was amazing in the day?
I went to play dandiya with my friends.
Oh,
मजा आया बहुत मजा आया because that's what I said. I love dancing, so
okay,
my soul is there.
okay. What else? What all of you have done? Kajal, how was yesterday? Shopping?
Challenging. No, challenging. Yesterday was different day. So something happened that like changed my energy. Like it past wounds opened. So yesterday was that sort of day for me. In the first half, in the second half, it got better.
Good.
Such days are there, right? They'll
Good. Even if it has opened up, that means it's healing. So it's completely fine. Let it.
yeah.
Perfect. What else happened, Kanchan, yesterday? How was the
Mhm.
day?
Yes, very nice. Whole day, matlab, I remember everything is possible. Everything is possible. Remind in my mind.
Great. All right. Okay. Let me share my screen. Can you all see my screen?
Mhm. Yes.
Yes, we can.
Okay. Okay. So the three mirrors that life will show you, because life is a mirror. Okay? Life is a mirror. So the first mirror life is going to show you is mirror of people. So you will see people behaving or showing up things that you don't like, or you will see people actually behaving unreasonably or doing something which is completely unreasonable, all of that. Whenever something like that happens, it is showing a part of you that is unhealed within you. So if you are getting affected by a particular thing, I would love you to ask yourself a beautiful question: what is unhealed inside of me that is triggering this? Her behavior or his behavior is triggering something inside of me which is not healed completely. What is that? And you will get your answer. We all know our answers. We just need to ask the right questions. Getting answer is the easy part because we all are wise enough to get the actually the important part is to ask the right question. So whenever you see something not working for you in that manner, I would love you to ask yourself, what is unhealed inside of me that is really making me feel disappointed about the situation? What is getting triggered? Because there is a part of me that is getting triggered. Okay, there is a part of me that's getting triggered every time that conversation is happening, every time that person is behaving in that manner. There is some past memory that is getting triggered, there is some past situation that is getting triggered, there's some past wound that is getting triggered. So just ask yourself that rather than resisting it. Simply ask, okay, what is getting okay? So you'll get the answer, okay, this is something which I will work deeper on and then it will be completely fine. Are you getting me? So just know the answer. Second is mirror of situations. There will be life situations, there will be challenges that also acts as mirrors in our life. So nothing now in our life is why this has happened or why me. Because we know everything is happening for a reason, everything is happening for our higher good. So whenever some situations is coming, whenever some challenges is coming, I would love you to ask yourself which area I need to grow, which area I really need to grow now. Because I am thinking कि इसके बिना काम चल जाएगा, नहीं चलेगा. I can see that. Are you getting me? Okay, which area now I need to grow? I need to stop calling कि नहीं नहीं, this is very difficult or I cannot do it because this area is coming and like again and again in my life, I really need to grow in this area. Right? So mirror of situations. Like I was really a kid when I got married, kind of kid, 20 years. So again I was seeing that something, same situation was coming in front of me, right? The same scenes. Then I really came down and what do I need to learn, Manisha? That you never need to share your personal with anybody in this house, right? Even if it is like his parents, don't think and go like a baby, oh, this has happened. I used to do that. Can you see how foolish I was? I used to go, I used to go run and tell them, this has happened, thinking that they will take my side. I don't know how foolish somebody can be, but I was that kind of foolish. Mirror of resistance. Whatever you strongly hate, I think this is very, very important. If you hate something strongly, if you judge something strongly, if you resist something strongly, it is going to be in your life. It's not going anywhere. More you resist, more it will persist. The more you are going to fight it, the more energy you give it. I think this is one of the important reminder for me also. Okay? So stop hating that, stop judging that, stop resisting that, because it is going to persist. More you are going to hate it, more you are going to judge it, more you are going to fight it. People are not going to understand. Right? So what to do about it, Manisha? Ask yourself, can I do anything about it? Can I do anything about it? Ask yourself, look at your situation that you are strongly hating, judging or resisting, that I don't like this, I don't like this, I don't like this, whatever it is. Can I change it? If the answer is yes, I can change it by doing this. Okay, then you have your action, do that. If I cannot change it, can I accept it fully from today onwards? Okay, they are not going to understand this particular thing. This is how it is going to be. Can I do that? And when you will accept, you will see that things start to change actually. One thing that I always wanted, in my husband, that was to communication, right? That was one thing that I really, really wanted. And that was one thing I was not getting. I was like, I really want you to communicate. I really want you to communicate. I really want you to communicate. I really hate when you keep quiet and say, I don't like your, right? And more I was resisting, more he was like, I'm not Gyani like you. I don't know how to communicate. I don't know, mere paas koi gyan nahi hai, and all of that, right? So it used to go in that scene. The day I said, okay, Manisha, he has 99 qualities. Are you okay with one? Okay, he is caring, he is loving, he gets up, like, so can you just accept one of that? And the day I accepted, and then I slowly actually worked on it. Okay, can you give me 15 minutes every single day where we can sit on a tea and coffee and we can just discuss about life, because this is very important for me. This is how I perceive love, through words. Okay, I feel loved only through words. So can we just sit for 15 minutes every single day and have a conversation without phone? Okay, that happened. Then slowly I said, can we have 1 hour on Sundays? Okay, where I will have a list of, now I have a list of questions that we discuss on Sundays, right? So 1 hour, can we have that? So slowly I reach there, right? So slowly you will reach what you want, but first step is to accept. If somebody will keep criticizing you, will you feel like changing for that person? But if somebody is accepting you fully, will you feel like doing something more for that person? You will. All of us are same. Okay. So mirror of people, mirror of situation, mirror of resistance. So 3 mirrors life will show you. When mirrors of people is showing up, there is unhealed part of you that needs healing. Write down what is unhealed that needs healing in me. Second question you have to ask, whenever different kind of situations, somebody is cheating, somebody is dominating, somebody is over you, and something is happening, and you are like, oh my god, how can this happen, how can this happen, how can that person? Situations are like a very hard, different situations are coming up to you. Ask yourself, which area now I need to grow. Okay. I never used to keep my house like proper, tip top, organized. I had people to help me, so I felt okay, this is fine. But every time they go away, I really get mad after this ki how to actually handle all of this. Because I'm not that organized kind of. My mom, my sister, both of them are very, very organized, but somehow I have not learned that. So currently I'm realizing that Manisha, you will have to grow in that. You will have to, right? Because it was not troubling me for a very long time. So I was like, okay, right? It was not troubling me. But now it is really troubling me because my important papers I'm not able to find. My important books I'm not able to find. So it's now troubling me to a very, no, what to say, a mountain kind of रूप उसने form कर लिया है because I've just ignored it so much कि there is somebody to look after. I don't have to worry. But now I'm seeing that. So I would love you to see in your life which situation is demanding growth. You will have to know. Okay? And when you have any have tos in life, I would love you to go to and say, I choose to do that. I want to be organized. I choose to be organized. Not that I have to. Once you have your have tos, can you change this to I have to? No, I choose to do this. I choose to be this person. Or if you want to get to the top level, evolved person, I'm so grateful I get to be organized. I have time to be organized. I get to work on myself. That means truly being grateful that I'm having that time, I'm having that resources that I can actually work on myself. Whatever you strongly hate or resist, what is the question that you have to ask? 2 questions. Can I accept it? Can I do anything about it? If you have anything you can do, then do. Why to resist? If you cannot, in most of the scenes you will not be. Okay? Can I just accept? Okay, alright. Okay? For example, I kept fighting, resisting. Right? That you all should understand. Oh, I've told you this story so many times, I'll not tell it. Alright. So attitudes of spending we have understood. Please bless them and multiply and rush back to. Every time you are paying, I would love you to imagine as it is going, 1 more, 2 more zeros are just getting added and rushing back to it. Okay? I would love you to imagine in every scene and it will become part of you, I know that. Okay? It will become part of you. Second attitude that you can have is every time you are paying, I would love you to imagine your large sums of bank account and then you're looking at that and then you are paying it. The only one who will save you is you. Stop waiting on someone and something else. So every single day, get up for yourself. Okay? Every single day. It's your predominant emotion which usually manifests immediate thought at 3 a.m. If I wake you up at 3 a.m. and ask you, Kajal, what's your goal? And how do you feel about it? You say, oh my God, I feel amazing, I feel joyful, I feel magnetic, I feel, oh, I cannot wait to have that. That should be your predominant emotion. Can you see what amount of work is needed to change that emotion? If I wake you up even at 3 a.m. in the morning and I ask you about your goal, there should be happy, joyful, grateful feeling rather than I don't know, will it happen? I'm not sure. Oh, it's difficult. Will I be able to do it? None of those feelings. I want joyful, grateful, happiness and like, oh my God, I cannot wait to have that, right? So that is the kind of that is known as predominant emotion, predominant thought. Okay, Manisha, how to change that predominant thought? I want to change my predominant thought, but I'm not able to. Let's do that so that I can help you change that predominant thought. I'll do one thing, I'll stop sharing this. I'll send each one of you a very beautiful gift that you all will be very happy about. I feel so. Let me send you one. Give me 1 second. See, this is my problem. I'm not getting my mobile. Understood? So that level of I've reached. I'm not finding it. Okay, wait. Just because of ignoring, that is not important. I am not made to do all of these things. Okay, who will get your mobile? You will only have to get it, right? I'll just show you the sheet right now and then.
Ma'am, yesterday I forgot my mobile in a bathroom.
But you all have done only once, na? I have to do it every day, every second. For 1 minute, I'm not finding mobile. The other minute, I'm not finding the keys. The other moment, I'm not finding papers. So it's
मैम सबके साथ होता है. मैं लिफ्ट में खड़ी हो जाती हूँ, वॉचमैन मुझे लिफ्ट में कॉल करता है, मैम इतनी देर से आप खड़े हो, प्लीज प्रेस द बटन. मैम जब तक बटन नहीं दबाऊंगी अपनी डेस्टिनेशन तक कैसे पहुंचूंगी?
And mine, it was just like a joke. I had my mobile in my hand and I'm reading something and I'm telling my daughter, भव्या मेरा मोबाइल लेके आना. मम्मा आपके हाथ में मोबाइल है?
so true. So true. Chalo.
तो सबके साथ
I'm
होता
the
है.
only one. You all are there with me, right? Same. All of us same. Okay. All right. Okay, so this is the document where I've listed every single exercise that was there in the yesterday. I've done this work. I've listed all the exercises that you have done till now, right? And that you will do in the this week. Correct? Is this useful? All the exercises will be there together. You can have a look. You can do it at any point. If this is very useful, just show me the heart of the hard work that I have done for all of you. That all the exercises, that there are 42 exercises in total. Okay. So total 42 exercises. I've just put it here so that you can have a look at the document. Maybe when you are making notes, you might forget, you might not note, but this will be a very easy way to return to whatever you want to. Okay.
Manisha, can you please send it on the WhatsApp also?
Yeah, I'll send it. That is why I was looking after my mobile. I'm not getting. I told you. No?
I hope you get it soon. I pray.
No, I will get. अभी तक वहाँ तक नहीं पहुँची. I'll find it. I'll take 10-15 minutes to get it, but I will get it. Okay. My husband is not there, otherwise I was saying, where's my mobile? Fine. Yeah, call me. So, okay. Somebody after the session just call me. I will find it there. VIP matrix, we have done negative money belief, find out the evidence of belief, letter from your richest self, sing and attract, done. Old attitude, new attitude when talking about others, what went well. Okay, yeah, just open up your page. I would like you to put 2 columns. Okay, in one side, write what went well for you, and on the second side, write on one side what went well for me, what went well for me. Write down on your notebook. Put 2 columns, one side what went well for me, and the second side what does that mean. What does that mean? For example, now there are different scenarios in which you can think. I would love you to think in taking one scenario. So let's take socially. So what went well for you? So yesterday Gitanjali said I went and I danced, right? So okay, what went well for me? So somebody appreciated you, Gitanjali, I'm sure. Somebody said you are looking very beautiful, you're dancing.
Yes, many of them.
Oh my god, wow. So right. Millions of people said, Gitanjali, you are looking great, you are looking beautiful, right? What does that mean about me? Now this is a very important part. Our brain is all the time making meaning of things, okay? But we make meaning of things, only of those things which were not that great. Okay, if something has gone well, we don't make meaning of that. अच्छा ही गया तो फिर we don't make meaning of it. But if something will not go well, somebody has not behaved well, if somebody has said something which is nasty, if something has happened which was not that great, we will make a meaning, sit down and make a meaning of it. Are you all understanding? If yes, just say yes. Right? So now we will do opposite. Something went well. Now I would love you to make a meaning out of Oh, so many people complimented. So what is the meaning that I can give of that? Tell me. What is the meaning that I can give? All of you. What does that mean about me?
That there is something positive,
Yes.
that they
That I was
like,
looking
that
good.
they got attracted.
That I am beautiful. I'm somebody. I'm beautiful. Why not take that? I am beautiful because somebody, millions of people said I am beautiful. So let's accept.
अपनी तारीफ खुद करना अच्छा नहीं लगता ना, इसलिए I didn't say.
No, in my if you will be long enough in my sessions, you will be expert in that. Okay.
Okay.
Just have that. I am beautiful. That's why.
I see that I'm a beautiful soul, but I am beautiful. Yes, now I'm going to say it.
I'm beautiful inside out. And why you will not say that I am beautiful? Don't you find
I
that
will.
beautiful, all of you? Yes, just nod your head. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, we all find it. Okay.
Thank you so much.
The
You all
millions,
made my day.
the millions of people were not wrong. They all were right. So make a meaning of it. Okay. Tell me something that happened good in terms of job or business. Anybody of you yesterday? In terms of job or business, anybody yesterday? Anything happened good in job or business? Any one thing? Nothing happened good.
यस मैम, कल मुझे कुछ मतलब अच्छा क्लाइंट मिले yes, अपना बिजनेस के लिए.
I got a great.
And
I got
I
good.
think
Amazing.
and I think 14,000 I will get tomorrow or today I will get
50,000 you are getting,
14,000.
Kanchan. My blessing is
Yes.
मेरी blessing फलीभूत हो रही है. I will take the credit. Okay. Love you. Amazing. Great. So I got 40,000 client. Okay. So that's beautiful. Now, what does that mean, like about me? It means when I am in energy, when my energy is high, things keep happening for me, right? And as you said in the first class, I am a very pure soul, and I really agree with that. More, and that is where your goodness helps. Somebody was asking now, like the person is not good or good. That is where your goodness helps, because if you are a pure soul, trust me, things will happen very fast for you. Because you are clean. Okay, so whatever will be put in, it will be just be flowing like beautifully, properly through you. Okay, so there your goodness will really help. Okay, there that part goodness will help because it will just happen. It's a clean energy that will pass. So what does that mean about you? That I can have a lot of clients, Kanchan. Correct? So you are asking, how will I get, ma'am? Can you see how? How? How is just how you will get surprised. And I'm so glad that you asked it in
Yes,
the class.
yes.
You're answering it also in the class. So it's a reminder for all of you. If you loved it, just say this. Send a lot of laughs to her. Right? So we all, Kanchan asked the same question in the class and now she's answering it, that I've got it. Right? So what does that mean about me? I can have a lot of clients because what you are giving is valuable. Right now. I'm giving something which is valuable and I can have a lot of, because I had one, I can have many also. No? Next, what is something that happened good in terms of friendship of people yesterday? For any of you, something happened? Anything good yesterday? Anything happened? Anything good in your... Okay, just tell me anything good that happened in any of the areas yesterday. Any single thing. Somebody complimented, somebody brought something, somebody did something, somebody appreciated, somebody called you, somebody whatever. Anything good that happened yesterday. It can be small. Yes, Gitanjali.
Okay, so as I said, we met yesterday, all our friends together. So we had a great time, and it's like I made some new friends.
Wow.
So, we decided that we'll meet quite often, and everybody enjoyed each other's company. I found pure souls and, good positive energy. So that's what it was nice to exchange that energy.
Earlier, were you having friends?
I had friends here, but we don't meet that often. Now, this is a new group that, I went with. One of them I know, but the others were all new.
So these friendships and the friendship that you have earlier, did you find that there was more like soul connections in these friendships and the earlier friendship it was not? Is it?
No. Earlier friendship also. It's more soul connection rather there, but I'm not able to meet right now.
But these
But
friends will be meeting quite
yes,
often.
yes,
That is a good thing, right? Okay. So these friends will be meeting, and now you'll be having meeting once a week.
yeah,
So
at
meeting
least.
once a week. Okay. So now I got some amazing friends, and then I'll be meeting once a week. What does that shows about me? It shows about me that now I'm ready to actually attract the right people of the universe, and I'll never be lonely. Can you see? Just put out meaning to it. Now, all of you, I'll give you 5 minutes. Take out your sheet. In one part, write down what went well for you. And second part, what does that mean about you? What went well and what does that mean about you? Very important to make out meaning for the amazing things in your life, because your brain will only believe and remember the things that you have made meaning of. Otherwise, it will forget. And more you have amazing memories, better it will. All of you, all the miracles that is happening in your life, I would love you to make a sheet and write. Not now. Every time you find it, just write it. It will be fun to hear everything together.
I want to say something. Can I?
Yes.
एक स्टेज थी जब लोग अप्रिशिएट करते थे कि यू आर ब्यूटीफुल, या जो भी चीजें, जैसे कल भी मैं एक प्रमोशन उसके पार्टी में गई हुई थी, तो वहां भी जैसे ही मैंने एंटर किया, एवरीथिंग, एवरीवन इज सेइंग अगर आप नहीं आते तो यहाँ जान नहीं आती, आप आ गए अब जान आ गई पार्टी में। बट अभी ना इस स्टेज पर आकर कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, ये सब कॉम्प्लीमेंट सुनकर मुझे कोई भी फर्क नहीं पड़ता। मतलब मुझे थोड़ा भी अटैचमेंट उस चीज से सुनकर कोई फील नहीं होता, बट आई ऑलवेज रिस्पेक्ट द इमोशंस कि उन लोगों ने मुझे इतना रिस्पेक्ट दिया। ये छोटी सी बात है, बट उनके लिए मैं कितनी इम्पोर्टेंट हूँ, उन्होंने मुझे शो किया। और एक और कल का एक्सपीरियंस है कि आई नेवर लाइक पिक द फोन, बिकॉज मेरे पास टाइम नहीं होता है, मेरा फोन हमेशा 24 साइलेंट पे रखना पड़ता है मुझे, क्योंकि शूटिंग की वजह से। लेकिन रात में 11 बजे वन ऑफ माय फ्रेंड ही कॉल्ड मी, और कि मैं थोड़ा परेशान हूँ, तो मुझे आपकी याद आई, मुझे आपसे बात करनी है। तो मैंने कम से कम आधा या पौना घंटा उसको दिया और बात किया, और उसने मुझे थैंक यू बोला कि थैंक यू, आपसे बात करके नाउ आई एम पॉजिटिव। अभी अभी मैं फोकस्ड हूँ, अभी मुझे काम करना है, तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा वो चीज लगती है। लेकिन मैं अंदर से इंटरनली जो अभी इस स्टेज पर हूँ, मुझे ना तारीफ से कोई फर्क पड़ता है, ना किसी की किसी ने कुछ नेगेटिव बोला उससे फर्क पड़ता है। बट हाँ, 1% अगर कोई नेगेटिव बोलता है तो मुझे ये फील होता है कि शायद मुझे काम अपने ऊपर करने की अब बहुत जरूरत है। किसी ने ये नोटिस किया है, ये माइनस पॉइंट है, तो अब मुझे काम करना है।
So what is
तो
your
मुझे
ऐसा क्यों feel हो रहा है?
सॉरी,
So what is your question कि मुझे ऐसा क्यों फील
माई क्वेश्चन इज कि मुझे बहुत न्यूट्रल फील होता है, मुझे कोई भी, आई हैव लाइक नो इमोशंस कि कोई मेरी तारीफ करे या मेरी तारीफ किसी को करनी चाहिए। बट ईश्वर की कृपा से तारीफ मिलती है, लेकिन उससे भी कोई ज्यादा मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता, तो मैं न्यूट्रल हूँ। बाय।
The reason is because you are working with me since a long time. You have numbed your emotions. when something very difficult happens in our life, we numb ourselves. I don't want to feel anything. But whenever you will numb yourself to the good things or the bad things of life, I don't want to feel this. I don't want to, because it will hurt you so much that we just create a wall around us. I don't want to feel this. But whenever you will create a wall around you that I don't want to feel the negative emotions, because you
नहीं
want,
मैम, व्हाट इनसाइड आई फील कि मुझे ना फर्क वो क्यों नहीं पड़ता, क्योंकि दिस इज ऑल टेम्परेरी. दिन है, रात हो रही है. आज जो लोग तारीफ कर रहे हैं ना,
but you are there on this universe, right?
यस,
You are experiencing life. And life is in this moment where I'm there with all of you. Every moment should be countable. Otherwise तो सच में किसी भी चीज़ से फर्क नहीं पड़ता. क्या फर्क पड़ता है? Just think about it. किसी भी चीज़ से फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Getting ready से फर्क नहीं पड़ता. ज्वेलरी पहनने से फर्क नहीं पड़ता. कोम्ब करने से फर्क नहीं पड़ता. फर्क नहीं पड़ता. आज काम नहीं करेंगे तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. आज खाना नहीं बनाएंगे कोई फर्क. Can you make every small thing कि मुझ फर्क पड़ता है? Can you make every small thing count rather than इससे कुछ भी फर्क नहीं पड़ता? क्या गरबा में हम ऐसे ही जा सकते हैं, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. We are not waiting for the tarif. That is beautiful because you yourself, nobody can actually fill the inner vacuum that is there inside of you. That only you can fill. But if something is coming, I would love you to focus on it, because whatever you focus, it grows in your life. Why I tell you to write gratitudes? Because if you will focus on something, it will grow in your life. If you will not focus, it will not grow. More experiences will not come. More good things will not come. More amazing things will not come. As we are focusing on money, money is growing in your life. Because we are focusing on money with microscope. All of us. Right? So in the morning session, 5 a.m. session, one of the girls was sharing that there was a stuck money of 5 lakhs that one person has taken away and has not given since years. And yesterday when the person said sorry and returned it, I was like with tears. Ki ab itne saalon se where were you? So when you will focus on something, you will be like shocked, really shocked, like how has this happened? So just focus on the good things. It's okay not to own if something has happened. Why to numb? So don't numb yourself is my answer. Don't numb yourself, because you will not feel the good things also. I know that. If you are not feeling the bad things, you will also not feel the good things. And I don't want you to, because I would love all of you to experience life. We just numb, and when we get numbed, it's a very different life that we are living. So open up. It's okay. From just one word, okay, I'm so grateful that this has happened. Just, it is the moment to just be in gratitude, na? Use that moment to be in gratitude. It's not it's not superiority complex or anything. No superiority complex. Anybody has
तो मैम आई ऑलवेज लाइक गिविंग ग्रैटिट्यूड कि लोग मुझे इतना अप्रिशिएट कर रहे हैं.
Yes.
मैं इतना डिफरेंट हूँ, इस भीड़ में खड़ी हूँ तो अलग हूँ मैं.
बस that is
वो सारी चीजें मुझे ग्रैटिट्यूड उसके लिए है. बट द सिचुएशन इज कि पहले फर्क ज्यादा पड़ता था, अच्छा लगता था, अप्रिसिएशन चाहिए, लोगों से चाहिए, ऐसा वो वाला था कि चाहिए. अभी चाहिए ही नहीं कुछ भी, ऐसा वाला सिचुएशन आ
that's a good thing. मुझे चाहिए नहीं, क्योंकि चाहिए वाले को मिलता भी नहीं है.
गया. यस.
चाहिए नहीं. We are not this. We will be in this energy. If it comes, yes, Gitanjali.
Yeah, I just want to say one thing regarding this same thing, the situation. As I think I would just like to share this, like, it's a bit personal, but I'd like to share because we all are at the same wavelength.
Absolutely.
So till last year, things were working really well in my life, I can say. I cannot say 100%, but yes, till what I wanted, yes, things were working. And last year, my husband got diagnosed with blood cancer, as I told you. Anuradha ji, I'd like to say this to you as well, क्योंकि last year तक ना मेरे अंदर भी ये चीजें बहुत थी. I want to listen compliments, I like doing that, I like doing this, I like getting dressed up, all that. But this incident that happened, actually, it devastating था मेरे लिए, and it really like 360 degree turn आ गया life में.
राइट.
So suddenly in this situation and facing so much, things started changing in me as well. जैसे आप बोलते हो ना, आपको ऐसा लगता था किसी से फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Same thing started happening to me as well. Like कोई क्या बोल रहा है, I don't care, because I was in my own self so much that didn't want. I was zoned out actually. You know, वो zone out हो जाते हो आप, तो वो energy लेके मुझे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था. That was a very like I'm killing the main part of myself. That's my life. I'm killing my present moment. I'm killing everything, and I'm doing it myself because situation hai. I know situation is there, but I have to come out of it. That's what I learned, and now I'm slowly trying to. And I can say I can thank Manjari, sorry, Manisha for this, because she has come as an angel in my life. I can say suddenly कहीं से वो मेरी एक कहीं ना कहीं वो एक थॉट गई होगी कि मुझे इससे बाहर निकलना है, प्लीज गॉड.
ये आपकी एंजल नहीं है, ये हमारी सबकी एंजल है.
सबकी है, डेफिनेटली सबकी है.
और
थैंक यू फ्रॉम माय बॉटम ऑफ माय हार्ट.
फर्स्ट डे व्हेन आई मेट हर, इन्होंने मुझे बोला मैंने आपको अट्रैक्ट किया और आपने मुझे अट्रैक्ट किया, बिकॉज इनकी एक लाइन थी कि मैं कोई सेलिब्रिटी चाहती थी मेरी लाइफ में कि मैं अट्रैक्ट करूं. और बहुत टाइम से मैं चाहती थी, तो आप मुझे मिल गए. और लेकिन ऐसा है कि बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिल रहा है, बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो डिफरेंट मेरी भी हैं. बिकॉज लेकिन मेरा जो कहने का अभी का जो मतलब है ना, मैं एक्चुअली दूसरे लेवल पर चल रही हूँ. कुछ अजीब सी चीजें मेरे साथ घटनाएं हो रही हैं. मैं आपको बताना वो चाहती हूँ. मतलब मनीषा मैम, मेरा डिस्कस वो चल रहा है. मैंने ना लाइफ में बहुत कुछ देख अच्छा बहुत देखा है. पागलों की तरह लोगों ने प्यार किया है, प्यार मिला है, इतना प्यार मिला है और अभी भी मिल रहा है भगवान की दया से. तो मैं तो बहुत ग्रेटफुल हूँ कि मैं इतनी डिजर्व नहीं करती जितनी मेरी औकात से ज्यादा मुझे मिल रहा है अभी की डेट में भी. अगर मैं कल का भी एक्सपीरियंस बोलूँ, कल मैं जहाँ थी, एक मेरे हुआ है, मतलब दे आर एक्साइटेड वो मेरे साथ फोटो खिंचाने के लिए या मेरे साथ बात करने के लिए. बिकॉज द गेम इज एनर्जी. आपकी जैसी एनर्जी है, लोग आपसे अट्रैक्ट होते हैं. और ये मेरे साथ है, सारी चीजें हैं. बट द प्रॉब्लम इज कि अब मेरे अंदर कुछ अंदर चल रहा है, बहुत अंदर कुछ अंदर उथल पुथल चल रही है. वो मुझे भी नहीं समझ में आ रही है. प्रॉब्लम बाहर नहीं है, प्रॉब्लम अंदर है.
all of this we will work.
और ये जो अंदर प्रॉब्लम है ना, ये सबसे खतरनाक है मैम, सबसे खतरनाक है. जो प्रॉब्लम अंदर है वो खतरनाक है, क्योंकि इसे समझ गए तो शायद चीजें बहुत कुछ अभी बदल जाएंगी. तो अब जो चेंजेस आ रहे हैं ना, कि जैसे कल भी इतना एप्रिसिएशन अगर मिल रहा था, तो ये फील हो रहा था कि कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, क्योंकि यही लोग हैं जो आज अप्रिशिएट कर रहे हैं. बट यही लोग हैं जो कल थोड़ा सा भी अगर मेरा कुछ नेगेटिव पार्ट उन्हें दिखेगा, तो यही लोग मुझे मेरा नेगेटिव भी बोलेंगे मेरे बारे में.
Absolutely.
तो जो फ्लो है, फ्लो चल रहा है. अगर अच्छा चल रहा है अच्छा चलता रहे, बुरा चल रहा है बुरा चलता रहे. बट आई एम न्यूट्रल.
Actually, it's a good thing. I'm not saying you can just take it. Just take it. That's okay. In that moment, take it. That doesn't mean you will sit with that only, that feeling only. No, you're just taking it. You're just being in that moment. Whatever, and that is what it is. Now, whatever is happening, you are fine. Today they are appreciating. Tomorrow they are going to say what.
अभी मैम, मैं ये संजय मिश्रा आपको पता है? संजय मिश्रा, उनके साथ ही इज अ कॉमेडियन एक्टर, बहुत फेमस हैं. उनके साथ अभी मेरा जो वर्क चल रहा है, जो प्रोजेक्ट मेरा कर रही हूँ मैं. आप उन्हें अगर स्क्रीन पर देखते हैं वो कितना कॉमेडी करते हैं, बट मैंने वही नोटिस किया कि एक स्टेज पर आकर ना, ही इज ऑल्सो न्यूट्रल, बिल्कुल आउट ऑफ माइंड एकदम. और वो किसी से बात ही नहीं करते, बिल्कुल अपने अंदर अपना चिंतन.
What's going outside is a very different scene. What's going inside of people, only they know and their mentors know. Nobody else know. Nobody else know. Nobody.
बट खुद की खोज करना बहुत कठिन हो रहा है, बहुत टफ हो रहा है. अपने आप से लड़ाई करना डेली अपनी चीजों को. एंड आपने जैसे
more difficult. In coming 10 years, it will become more difficult. How many of you are realizing there's somebody or the other going through mental health problem in your family? कैंसर वॉज समथिंग जो आज कोई भी फैमिली नहीं होगी जिसमें नहीं होगा. नॉट अ सिंगल फैमिली, not a single family. Even in my family, both in-laws side and my this side, both have one. So this was something which we used to think this is something like which is kabhi, matlab it's a very rare. So we are coming very very near. It's better we take care of ourselves and we take ourselves really seriously, that we are important till the time we are alive. We can go anytime, which is fine. It's completely
That's true.
live your life as if today आज भी चली गई तो कोई बात नहीं, मैं यही काम करके जाना चाहूँ.
That's true.
From morning till evening, spend time with my family and go. This is my life and this is what I want to do. There's nothing else I do. I spend time with my people, clients, serve, and I spend time with my family. इसके अलावा तीसरा, I don't have any friends. I don't go out. Till from the time I've started working from home, I travel के लिए गई तो गई बस. I don't go out on every single day basis. So that's completely okay. Live your life as if अगर आज भी चली गई, it's okay, and make every day count and take care of yourself till the time you're alive. You are important.
Yes, that's right.
So we all are speck of dirt, but all of us are important. Let's put some contributions till the time we are alive on this beautiful earth. All right, let's do one more exercise. बहुत बात हुई आज. It's good. Put a column and do plus, 0 and minus. Okay, plus 3 columns you will make, plus 0 and then minus. Okay, now write your one desire at the top. Your one desire, the same desire that we are taking up. Stop only sharing. Okay, so plus, 0 and minus, write the desire at the top. Now I would love you to think of one thing that you have to start doing to get to this desire. One thing that you have to start doing to get to this desire. What is one thing that you will have to start doing to get to this desire? Only one. One thing that you will have to start doing. You know the answer. If there's anybody who doesn't know the answer, ask me. Otherwise, I feel you know the answer. What is one thing you will have to start doing to get that desire? The Bats of Bollywood, Shah Rukh Khan ka beta. He has just. Anybody watch that Netflix series Bats of Bollywood? It's gaining a lot of traction. Nobody? Okay.
I just saw the advertisement.
So it's gaining a lot of traction. It's a very good series. I have not watched. I have heard. So he's son of Shah Rukh Khan. What he need to do? Do you think he need to do anything? He can sit at home, chill, and just do nothing, really. And not just he, coming generations. Why he need to work so hard? It will, obviously it is taking a hard work. Na? Any work you do, it will take hard work. It's not that you have got, okay, the actors and everything easily, but you have to put hard work na, for the direction and everything. Why to put up that much amount of hard work? Because we are on this earth. Till the time you are, make your everyday count. When he can do it, who are we? Right? Alright. Plus, 0, minus. Now one thing that you will start doing. Done, all of you? Just do this. Yes. Okay, Archana, I have not heard today anything. 0. 0. What is one thing that you will keep doing? That you are already doing and you will continue doing. 0 means you are already doing that. But you know that this I need to continue doing to get to this desire. What is one thing that you need to continue doing to get to this desire? Continue. You are already doing it. Write down that.
I think, okay.
You are already doing. Kajal didn't understood?
Already done. Already done.
Last. what is one thing you need to cut and stop doing actually? Because it is taking away your time, it is taking away your energy, it is not working for you. You clearly can see that. So, what is one thing you need to stop doing to get to that desire? Sometimes it's not what you do, what you have decided not to do.
What is not in our control, and we are just suppressing and being negative or being overthinking about it, so we just
It can be overthinking. I will not.
yeah.
It can be Netflix. I don't want to do. It can be reels. I don't want to explore. By the way, if you are thinking you are learning through reels, you are not. If you are in that illusion that you are getting a lot of knowledge, because
That is it. For me, those are drugs.
yeah, yesterday one of my clients said, "But how can I stop scrolling reels, Manisha? It is giving me so much of information. It is
I
not."
don't have time for those things.
It just clutters your mind.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh
Don't think it is giving you any information. It is not.
no.
Just created in the way to capture your attention. No actual knowledge is getting there and shared there. Okay, so
I say the same thing to my daughter. She also got, really impacted by these things all the time, phone in the hand because of reels. I
array,
just told her the same. See, they are creating the content which, attracts you. And then same kind of reels keep playing more and more.
Distractions, I call them.
Complete distraction.
is so any one thing that you want to subtract from your life. Written all of you. So now you know what you need to do. Now you know what you need to continue doing and what you need to subtract. The only thing that is left is to take action on that. Okay? All right.
Yes. When I want to learn video editing, advanced editing.
Learn it.
Yeah. And continue में making reels. Continue I making reels. And minus करना है procrastination. कल करूँगी फिर ये minus
Wow.
करना.
The best thing is every night, not morning, every night write down 1, 2, or 3 things that you will do. 3 things. Okay? Every night. Write down 3 things that you have to do. Circle the one which is the most important, and then morning get up and do the most important thing. And then the second and third if you feel like doing. And if you have done it, just praise yourself. Today I have done my work. मैंने कर लिया है. I'm not going to hammer myself, oh, I've not done 20 things. It's okay. I will do tomorrow. Okay? Life is a marathon. Life is not a sprint. कि आज अपने आप को रगड़ के कैसे भी भाई कल भी आएगा. What to do? Tomorrow is also going to come. Tomorrow also you have to do the same work. Do it with joy. Do it with happiness. That is important. Don't let your important thing go away. Remember that beautiful story all of us have heard. There was a sadhu and the sadhu gave oil का पूरा कटोरा and said कि move the entire planet, but oil का एक भी कतरा नीचे नहीं गिरना चाहिए.
Yes.
So do all the work that is needed, but your peace and happiness should not be compromised. If that is getting compromised, you need to change something. I will not tell you what. You know better what you need to change. Something needs a change because that should not get compromised. You have to take care of that and walk and do every single thing that's needed to be done.
You will not enjoy.
If I have started even with the client and the client has paid me also, and I feel that it's a toxic who is just going to take away like my mental health completely, it's okay with the problems and everything. I'm completely there for them, right? That's my job. But that's not if they are in a very like a criticizing zone where I love to refund that back and say thank you so much. I don't want you. I love to choose because I'm spending a lot of time with people, right? So it's very important to choose. I'm completely perfect with the problems because that's completely fine. But the inner core should be of love and kindness and gratitude. That is not there.
Yeah.
Can you see each other's faces, all of you? So you can understand the kind of people. So it's very important. That is very, very important. Okay, all right. Close your eyes. We have 2 minutes. We'll do a quick meditation and then I'll let all of you go. Do the exercises as much as you can. Just bring in. I'm sure you all have not done it. So let me just see it. The day one, you know. Day 2, abundance frequency check. I've already explained. Day 3, already done. Day 4, day 5. Day 5 is abundance through what you have bought. Okay, that means what are the things that you have already bought with the abundance mindset. Maybe you got an iPhone. Phone 5,000 का भी आ रहा है market, 10,000 का भी है. Why you got an iPhone? You got it with an abundance mindset. Are you getting me? You got an Apple का MacBook. You already have 30,000 ka laptop. Why you got Apple MacBook? Abundance mindset. Are you getting me? You got a designer dress which was of 50,000, 10,000, 20,000, whatever it is. There are dresses starting from 200. Why you got that? Abundance mindset, right? So you will write everything that you bought through abundance mindset here. Okay? So there is 108 things, but if you don't get 108 things, it's completely okay. Cup. It can be sometimes very simple things, right? Like cup I can get for 20 rupees. Why to get 1,000 rupees cup? Abundance mindset. Are you getting me? So just a small, it can be small amount also. It doesn't need to be a very big amount, right? Just for the quality you took the right thing. Just for the, maybe a lipstick, right? So smallest of things are perfect. So if you can write 108 to them, so it's amazing, but I feel maybe you will not be able to. That's completely okay. Finish it. It will be till lifetime, these papers, right? This is a making abundance easy. 108 time I would love you to write this. It's already written there. I'm just reiterating. Making abundance is very easy for me. It should be chapao in here. Okay, that it's very, very easy for me because we have said it so many times. It's difficult, it's difficult, it's difficult, it's struggle, it's struggle, it's struggle. Now we need a new definition, so it need to just get here. Write a love letter to abundance. We have already done that in the class. You can do it at any point again. Abundance belief check-in. Without looking at your original list from 10 days ago, write down your current belief about abundance, then compare both lists and reflect. So whatever is your belief on the first day and whatever you can write now, you will see a difference in that. Set abundance goals, affirmations and vision board. Writing your goals, writing your affirmations. One thing that so few days till day 11, it's a longer exercises. From day 13, it's one word exercises, one thing exercises, right? Like donate or throw 11 things that is old or is broken. You will have to create place, okay, for your abundance to come in. If there are broken things that you are thinking, कभी जिसको आपने 5 सालों से नहीं खोला, कभी नहीं काम आएगा. Let it go, donate it, throw it or gift it to somebody. Okay, just donate it to somebody, give it to your mate, she will be happy. Throw it if वो भी नहीं लेगी maximum चीजें. Throw it, okay, then you will realize when. I remember I used to keep one bag and it was little bit scratched and it was a very like I think a good amount I've spent on that, but I was not throwing it. Then one day मैंने दिल पे पत्थर रख के I took it and I said कि okay to my maid कि you take this bag, it's a very like I have spent a lot of amount, but I don't use because यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा कुछ हो गया. She said, I will also not use. And I was like, oh my God, Manisha, she is also not using, and you are keeping it, thinking it's a very, she is thinking that I'm not going to use, and you are there thinking, nee, it's very good, it's very good. So I would love all of you to just throw 11 things. Look at your makeup drawers, look at your jewelries, look at your clothes. You will get 11 things very easily. Then visualizing golden energy showering abundance on you. Meditation I'll be sending you. Give small, big gift amount with love. Giving opens receiving. I would love all of you to do these two. So today I would love you to throw 11 things, write down today's homework, 25th. Do these exercises whenever you can. For now, 25th, today's homework, 11 things throw out of the house that is broken, that needs, that you are not using, just throw or donate. 11 चीजें at least. आप 111 भी कर सकते हो if you can, but at least 11 I have written because 11 is very easy. I hope all of you are finding 11 easy. Okay, you'll find something, right? 11 things which is just not used. Throw 11 things. Tomorrow, 26th of September, I would love you to give a small gift to someone. It can be small, it can be 100 rupees, it can be 10 rupees, it can be 10,000. It doesn't matter what is the amount. Gift somebody something. Maybe your staff, maybe your the one person who brings chai to you, peon, maid, guard, gardener. I would love you to give something. Giving opens receiving. When you give something, it opens your receiving channel, no matter what you have. I remember there was one beautiful story that I read somewhere where this lady went to her mentor and said, I don't have any money, I don't have even money to eat. And the mentor said, give something. And the lady was shocked. I am telling you, I don't have money to eat. Okay, and you are telling me to give something. What to give? खाने के लिए भी नहीं है, right? That is where I have reached, and you are asking me to give. The mentor repeated the same thing, give something. Okay, and then she went back and saw, okay, what can I give? And she saw that she had flowers in her garden, right? There was a tree. She picked some flowers and started to take those flowers every single day and give it bagal wale ghar pe. She used to keep those whole bundle of flowers and give it. Keep always, every single day, get some flowers and give it. The third or around fifth day, when the neighbor noticed that this lady was doing that, they came to their home and just look after everything, and they started sending actually the food. There was a big story. They started sending food to this lady after the 5th or 7th day. So you don't know how the universe is working, right? So, and I love that कि I don't have anything to give. कुछ तो देखो, कुछ तो होगा. There were flowers. And once she started to give, she started to open the receiving channels, right? So never think without sowing the seeds, I will get something. I will not get. That's not the nature of universe. Universe nature is you will sow seed, it will give you fruits ka pura ambal. That's universe's nature. But without seed, how? Right? It's not universe ka nature. So second, tomorrow I would love you to give a small gift to somebody. It can be your family members also. Openly, bring flowers for your mom.
Yeah.
Nowadays, I'm loving to do that actually. Some days I'll just get flowers for my mom, and her smile is like, I love that. So anything, give small, big amount. Dr. Lalan, you go and bring flowers for all your family members. Okay, your wife, bada wala bouquet, and all your children also. Let everybody feel कि ये क्या हो गया? What has happened? And all or some friend, husband, anybody, or people lower than you, people equal than you.
मैम थैंक यू सो मच. आपने एक मेरी आदत बहुत अच्छी चेंज कर दी है. आपने मुझे बोला था कुछ नहीं तो 5 रुपीज या एटलीस्ट हर किसी को देना शुरू करो अगर कोई नीडेड है तो. अब वो आदत इतनी हो गई है ना. कल एक अंकल मुझे मिले ऑन रोड और ही सेलिंग द कंगी. तो मुझे कंगी की कोई रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं थी, बट ही वाज क्राइंग दैट टाइम कि टुडे इज माय बर्थडे एंड नोबडी इज विश मी. और मैं अपने घर भी नहीं जा पा रहा हूँ बिकॉज आई हैव नो मनी। तो मैंने बोला अंकल मुझे कंघी नहीं चाहिए, लेकिन आप ये पैसे लीजिए और अच्छे से खाना खाइए और अपना बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट कीजिए।
कंघी ले लेते ना, कंघी भी ले लेते, फिर वो कंघी लेनी थी।
उस टाइम मुझे नहीं लगा मुझे कोई जरूरत है कंघी की, तो मैंने कहा वो कंघी एटलीस्ट वो बेचेंगे तो उन्हें पैसे मिलेंगे कहीं से, तो व्हाई शुड आई टेक, मेरी जरूरत नहीं है उस चीज की।
Then 27th of September, I'm just giving you homework that you need to do. ठीक है? 27th. Write down 50 ways money can come to you. Kanchan ji, how? Your how answer you have to give. Write down 50 ways money can come to you. If you don't know, Google, ChatGPT, you have things. 25, 26, 27, 28. Write down your abundant self story as if you already have that amount that you have thought of. Write your abundant self story. "29. Celebrate yourself for wins that you have got in 21 days or throughout your life. And get ready to dance that day. That day, if you are not going to dance, okay?
मैम आई डांस एवरी डे एंड मैम एक बात और पूछनी थी, जैसे आप डोनेट करने के लिए बोल रहे हैं,
हमें देखने नहीं दे रहे तुम लोग, हाँ? ऐसे कैसे होगा? Let us also see.
मैम आई गिव फ्री सर्विस फॉर योगा, योगा में फ्री सर्विसेज देती हूँ रोज।
Great. Then you need to charge. Stop giving free. ठीक है? Charge for that. एक person को
Okay.
decide कर लो कि one person I will give free. Not everybody will. You will give free ना? ठीक है?
Celebrate yourself. Yes.
Money comes to me easily, frequently, and abundantly 3 times. 369 method, 3 times in the morning.
मैम वांट टू शेयर समथिंग। मैम कैन आई आस्क समथिंग?
Can we do it tomorrow? Otherwise,
जैसे मैम ने बोला,
today.
नहीं मैम मुझे एक छोटा सा क्लियरिटी चाहिए, इसलिए अभी कैन आई जैसे मैम ने बोला कि योगा वो फ्री में करते हैं, जो हमें चीज आती है अगर वो हम सिखा रहे हैं ना तो उसमें कहीं ना कहीं फायदा अपना ही होता है। मैं अपनी एक्टिंग की फील्ड में मास्टर हूँ, तो मुझे वहाँ बहुत मैं अपने कॉन्फिडेंट होती हूँ, और जब किसी को चाहिए होती है कोई हेल्प तो मैं पूरा उसको हेल्प करती हूँ, तो वो भी फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट ही होता है। उसमें मैं अपना टाइम दे रही हूँ, एनर्जी दे रही हूँ, बट फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट करती हूँ। लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं मुझे बहुत सुकून मिलता है ऐसा करने से कि मैंने ये हेल्प करी और इसका करियर बन गया। और ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो आज बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं बिकॉज ऑफ माई गाइडेंस। तो कहीं ना कहीं वो उसके लिए हम चार्ज नहीं, अंदर से आता नहीं है कि मैं इसके लिए चार्ज करूँ।
One line answer.
क्वेश्चन इज कि मुझे फीलिंग नहीं आती कि मैं इसके लिए चार्ज करूँ।
You don't have money. Please start charging. If you have money, like you have money so much, like Aryan, Shahrukh Khan के बेटे के जैसे, it's okay. Don't charge. You be the greater person. You be, because you can only give when your cup is full. But if you are complaining, I don't have money, please charge. Please charge. Okay? You will have, because you deserve for giving your services. You deserve money. So you can only give when your cup is full. If your cup is not full, you are doing a disservice to yourself, to others, because your cup should be full to give. So full your cup is my answer. If your cup is filled, तब तो जो भी डालेंगे बाकी नीचे गिरेगा ना. Then you can do for family, then you can do for society, then you can do for the world. मेरा ही cup full नहीं है, मेरे desires पूरे नहीं है, मेरे how, right? So my input and output are two different places. If you will stop taking from the places where you are actually about, you should take, you will be broken. And that's the reason. I would love you to charge where it's your profession, where it's your work. You are doing a disservice if you're not charging, where it's your profession. And charity is a different thing. Don't mix charity and if Dr. Lalan will start charging from today onwards, I'll not charge, I'll do this free seva. If he will do this free seva, उसके उनके बच्चे क्या खाएंगे और बच्चे क्या पढ़ेंगे और बच्चे क्या करेंगे, he will have to actually sit for somebody you give me, right? Okay, he can decide, one person in the start, one person in the end, I will not take money. That's charity. ठीक है, स्टार्टिंग में जो आ जाएगा, एंडिंग में जो आ जाएगा, या फिर अपने स्टाफ को बोल के रखे कि कोई भी एक ऐसा जिसको आप लगे कि ही रियली डजंट हैव एनीथिंग, उसका एक का नाम नोट कर लेना, वो एक को मैं देख लूंगा. अगर दो आ गया तो उसको कल को शिफ्ट कर देना, कल भी मैं एक देख लूंगा, रोज मैं एक देख लूंगा. दैट इज चैरिटी, नॉट 100% चैरिटी. यू विल नीड चैरिटी आफ्टर दैट. ओके, सो दैट्स नॉट द वे. आई होप यू ऑल गॉट दैट. So we feel we are doing charity, we are not, because then we are needing charity. Okay, so we have to reach a place where I can just overflow. I can give. So reach there first. Got your answer? Perfect.
Thank you so much.
Okay, all right. So thank you so much. Close your eyes for a minute. We will not be able to do the meditation. We'll do it tomorrow. Close your eyes. Put your hands together. Sending lots of love and blessings to each one of you. May God really takes care of each one of you and you become an amazing human being, taking care of yourself, taking care of family, taking care of this world as a beautiful places that the world need. More beautiful places, more beautiful people like you all. Let all the beautiful energy soak in. Just because you are there, let this world be a better, beautiful and happier place. Sending lots of love to each one of you. Let's come together, let's do our soul hug, and we will meet tomorrow. Today we talked a lot. All right, take care. Bye. Have an amazing day.
Bye.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
You too. Thank you.
Bye, Dr. Lalan. Bye, Gitanjali. Bye, Kanchan. Bye.
Thank you.
Have a
Bye.
beautiful day.
Have a
Bye.
beautiful day.